Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channels of Machinery. Harvesting thousands of tons of potatoes at a vast farm at a large-scale farm, thousands of tons of potatoes are being harvested using cutting-edge machinery. The SE150-60 two-row harvester with an XXL separator, along with a 7.5-ton combine harvester, is in full operation, ensuring an efficient and seamless process. These advanced machines play a crucial role in helping farmers maximize productivity. The SE150-60, equipped with its powerful separation system, effectively removes soil and debris, ensuring clean and high-quality potatoes. Meanwhile, the 7.5-ton combine harvester works tirelessly, significantly reducing manual labor and increasing the speed of harvesting. By utilizing modern agricultural technology, farmers can complete the harvest in record time while maintaining optimal efficiency. The mechanized process not only saves time and effort, but also minimizes crop loss, ensuring that every harvested potato meets the highest standards. With these innovative solutions, potato harvesting has become faster, smoother, and more reliable, allowing farmers to focus on what matters most, delivering fresh and high-quality produce to the market. Once the potatoes are collected from the fields, they are transported to the processing facility. Large trucks carefully carry the harvested crop, ensuring that the potatoes remain fresh and undamaged during transit. Upon arrival at the factory, they are unloaded and prepared for the next stage of production. Before the potatoes can be processed into French fries, they must first be thoroughly cleaned to remove all traces of dirt, dust, and soil. Since potatoes grow underground, they naturally accumulate a layer of soil that needs to be washed off to meet food safety and hygiene standards. The cleaning process is carried out using Wyma equipment, a highly advanced washing system designed specifically for handling large volumes of potatoes. The system features rotating brushes and high-pressure water jets that gently but effectively remove dirt and debris. The use of an automated washing system ensures consistency and efficiency, allowing thousands of potatoes to be cleaned within a short period. After passing through the washing system, the potatoes are inspected once again to ensure they are completely clean before moving on to the next stage. By maintaining strict hygiene and quality control, this step guarantees that only the best raw materials proceed further in the production line. Once cleaned, the potatoes undergo a detailed sorting and quality control process. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that only the highest quality potatoes are selected for French fry production. The sorting process evaluates several factors, including size, shape, texture, and overall quality. The factory uses automated grading systems and advanced optical sensors to detect imperfections, such as discoloration, blemishes, or irregular shapes. Potatoes that do not meet the required standards are separated and repurposed for other uses, such as animal feed, starch production, or other processed potato products. By implementing these strict sorting measures, the factory ensures that only uniform, high-quality potatoes move forward in the production process. This consistency is essential for achieving evenly cut fries with a uniform texture and taste. After passing the quality check, the selected potatoes enter the cutting phase. They are fed into high-speed industrial cutting machines that slice them into uniform strips, ensuring consistency in size and shape. This precision is crucial for even cooking, crispiness, and texture. Depending on the intended type of French fries, e.g. classic fries, crinkle cut, shoestring, or steak fries, the cutting machines are adjusted accordingly. The cutting blades operate at high speeds, processing thousands of potatoes per minute to keep up with large-scale production demands. Once cut, the fries move on to the blanching stage. Blanching involves briefly submerging the fries in hot water or steam, which helps remove excess sugars and starch from the surface. This step is important because it prevents excessive browning during frying and enhances the fries' final color and texture. Additionally, blanching helps preserve the natural taste and extend the shelf life of the fries, making them more suitable for freezing and long-term storage. Once the blanching process is complete, the fries are rapidly cooled to prepare them for the next phase. After blanching, the fries enter the frying stage. They are partially fried in high-quality vegetable oil at a precisely controlled temperature. This initial frying process gives them a crispy outer texture while keeping the inside soft and fluffy. However, they are not fully cooked at this stage. Instead, the frying process sets the texture and structure of the fries so that they can be properly finished when cooked by the consumer. Immediately after frying, the fries are rapidly frozen using an advanced freezing system. Quick freezing is essential to lock in freshness, maintain flavor, and prevent the formation of ice crystals. This ensures that the fries retain their original taste and texture even after months of storage. Once frozen, the fries move to the packaging line. Here, they are carefully weighed and packed into airtight bags using automated machines.
Complete frozen French fries production line. The process begins with high-quality potatoes, carefully selected for uniform size and texture. These potatoes are then transported into an automated washing system, where powerful water jets remove dirt and impurities. After washing, the potatoes go through a peeling machine that removes their outer skin efficiently. A sorting system ensures only the best potatoes continue down the line, while any defective ones are discarded. Next, the peeled potatoes are sliced into uniform French fries using high-speed cutting machines. The precise cutting ensures consistency and size, which is crucial for even cooking later in the process. The freshly cut fries then enter a hot water blanching system. This step helps maintain their color, texture, and nutritional value. After blanching, they pass through an air-drying tunnel to remove excess moisture before frying. The semi-dried fries are deep-fried in hot oil at a controlled temperature. This step partially cooks the fries, giving them their signature golden color and crispy texture while ensuring they can be quickly finished at home. Once fried, the fries enter an advanced freezing tunnel set at extremely low temperatures. This rapid freezing process locks in freshness and flavor. Some fries may receive a light coating of batter for extra crispiness. Before packaging, fries go through a quality control check using automated sensors and cameras. Any fries that do not meet the required size or shape are removed from the production line. And that's how frozen French fries are made. Whether served as a side dish or a snack, these fries maintain their delicious taste and crispiness thanks to this efficient production process. The final step is packaging. Fries are portioned, sealed in airtight bags, and labeled. They are then stored in cold storage facilities, ready to be shipped worldwide for consumers to enjoy.